Hey, Danny here. It's time to compare the Shadow Ultegra R8000 reed derailleur, the road one, with the road Shimano 105 5800 reed derailleur. The 105 is on the cyclocross bike with the 33mm tire, and the Ultegra R8000 will be on that road bike with 25mm tire. We're gonna start in the studio. It's gonna be all 120 FPS with some slow motion, and on the outdoors I'm gonna compare this one to this one on the same exactly road. So it's gonna be very rough concrete road, and then some trail, even some trails. So if I'm going through the bump, it's gonna be the same exact bump. What you should be looking at to really see the difference is the chain, how much the chain here at the bottom will move on the 105, this movement on the derailleur, and also how it shifts. I would say 105 shifting is good, and Ultegra shifting on the bumps is excellent. Let's see what I filmed.